The American Stasi. They have no respect for the Bill of Rights. They have no understanding of what a democratic government is like. They think of themselves as exceptional. They identify themselves with God, as Lucifer did. They have no need of courts and constitutions. They, the exceptional people, will be judge, jury, and extrajudicial punisher. They run in packs, the gang-stalking mob. They are emotional thinkers. They feel it is so, and thus it must be so. What they really are is fascists. Hitler had the brown shirts. They are the red shirts, riding in their red cars, red trucks. Their leader, the creator of the American Stasi, will most likely be discovered to be Dick Cheney, the most right-wing fascist leader America ever had. Police, firemen, EMS, ambulance drivers, security guards, citizen vigilantes, probably our neighborhood watch groups who use red cars, red trucks, wear or carry red in conspicuous surveillance, are gang-stalking average citizens 24/7 for years in emulation of the Stasi in totalitarian East Germany. No Red Fridays. Thanking troops who protect liberty, protesting Stasi who take it away. I propose every Friday be a No Red Friday, when we all refrain from wearing or carrying anything red, the color of the American Stasi, in thanksgiving for the sacrifice our troops make for freedom, liberty, the protection of the Bill of Rights. People who wear red, the color of the American Stasi, government gang stalkers, on Fridays, don't honor our troops. They insult them. The best way to honor those heroes who are willing to lay down their life for liberty is to expose those who take liberty away. Tell your representatives, stop government gang stalking. Go to congress.org/contact.